If you don't have a fake ID, you can make money a lot of ways as a teenager. And let me show you right here on my computer a few of those ways that you can make money. So one way you can make money as a teenager is MLMs, or multi-level marketing organizations, or also known as network marketing organizations, because they're based on person-to-person sales. I've known a few people that have got their start in business. Two of my friends, Carlos Cruz, he has some videos on affiliate marketing, some interviews I did with him. I'll have my assistants linked to him. And my friend Lucas, both started in their teens working network marketing organizations. Now, if you want to look it up, you can search top MLMs or something, and you'll see there's a bunch of companies here, such as Avon Cosmetics, Amway, Herbalife, Tupperware, etc. These are companies where you're basically signing up people to sign up other people to sell products to you. Just signing up people, and it's very much based on personality and energy and just sales. And you're selling a business opportunity essentially. And that's a way that I've seen a number of people get started, and they're still around today. They're multi-billion-dollar companies, and that's a way you could get started as a teenager. Just sell stuff. Now, another way you can get started as a teenager is called affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing does not check your ID. It doesn't care how old you are. All it matters is that you can market products on the internet. Unlike MLM, which is person-to-person sales, affiliate marketing is online marketing for sales. I'm an affiliate marketer. I make about $500,000 every single month. And you can see ClickBank is the company, is the affiliate network where I find products to advertise, and it's who pays me money. And again, they've never checked my ID. Now, you can sign up here. You go over clickbank.com, you click create account, as you see right here, and you would simply sign up. Now, they'll ask for a few different information. You'll need to have a phone number. You do need to have a bank account for ClickBank. Okay, you could enter your parents' bank account, or you could enter a friend's bank account if you don't have a bank account. If you want to make money online, you, generally speaking, will need to have a bank account. Now, if you don't have a bank account, you can sign up for other affiliate networks such as A4D.com. Here's A4D. This is my friend Jason's company. So you want to go under the partners. They're calling affiliate marketers partners, and it says why A4D affiliates have the edge over others. And what you would do is you would simply click sign up today, and you would click there and you will sign up. You'll have to enter in your information and all that jazz, and they can pay money through PayPal. You will need usually some way to accept money, whether it's a check or PayPal or whatever. Another way that you can make money online as a teenager is through Amazon. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see right down here, it says make money with us. Let me zoom in on that. Look at that, isn't that cool? Biggest company in the world saying make money with us. And you can sell on Amazon. See that right there? You can also be an affiliate of Amazon. I'm not going to talk about that here, but you can sell products on Amazon. Amazon doesn't really care if you are old or young, as long as your products are selling, and Amazon takes about 25%. So that's how they make money. So you can sell your products on Amazon. And if you want to learn more about how to sell products on Amazon, you can go to my playlist. I'll have my assistants pin it here. But one of my friends, Tanner J. Fox, we did a whole series on how to start an Amazon FBA business. He talks a little bit about his story of how he became an entrepreneur and how he got into Amazon selling. And he also goes over his formula for how he makes hundreds of thousands of dollars per year selling on Amazon. So that's cool. But let's go up to the whiteboard, and I'm going to show you a couple other ways you can make money if you do have a fake ID or something like that. Now, if you're sufficiently good at anything, whether that's sales or marketing or programming or whatever, you can find lots of small businesses which will give you jobs, at least in America, even without a fake ID, okay? Just they'll pay you under the table, they'll give you a check just because you're so good at what you do. Now, I'm not advocating this, and I want to make sure I'm not advocating this, but if you are a teenager that is trying to acquire a fake ID, ways I've heard people going about this, which can be dangerous, and I just want to let this be a warning because it can be dangerous, is I've heard of teenagers going to areas where immigrants hang out in their cities, such as if there's a lot of immigrants, you know, in Los Angeles, it's Alvarado Street where all the Hispanics hang out, and teenagers will go there and they'll find independent photo booth operators And usually those people are selling fake IDs for anywhere from $100 to $200. That is one option that people have turned to. Now, if you are doing that, please be aware that can be dangerous. You don't know who you're dealing with. You don't know if you're gonna get ripped off. So be aware of that if you're really going down that route. Now, that being said, some good creative jobs. If you're a teenager, you can get door-to-door sales. Door-to-door sales is tried, true. It still works even towards today. It's kind of a dinosaur. But if you are a teenager and you want to get into sales and you like communicating with people, this is one of the best ways to learn sales just on the ground level. You know, the strongest salespeople in the world start with door-to-door sales. The next thing is cold calling. If you can get a job cold calling, or generally speaking, the companies that hire for cold calling, they just want to see if you have what's called phone swag. If you can convince people to buy stuff over the phone. Typically these jobs are commission-based, meaning they're not going to pay you money until you actually close a deal and make the company money, because it means you're making them money, so they're going to find a way to keep paying you money, whether that's through a check or under the table or whatever. Cold calling, these are both sales-based. I showed you affiliate marketing, which is also commission-based, but that's marketing, okay? These are sales. Now, the last one is programming. You can get great jobs programming. You can make 6 figures a year easily as a teenager if you self-teach yourself programming. It's free to learn. Go online, learn programming. It's free, it's easy. All it takes is time. People whine about learning programming. My grandparents fought Nazis in World War II, and people are complaining about learning some stuff in an air-conditioned room on a swivelly chair in a computer. Guys, it's easy. If you're of the teenager, you have the time. You don't have to fight Nazis anymore. All you have to do is look at a computer screen and learn some stuff. Be easy on yourself. Just go for it. And you can make a lot of money doing that. I'm sure a lot of local companies doing programming and make a lot of money per year, anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 a month as a teenager. But if you go to some place like Silicon Valley, you can actually get stock options. You can work for a startup, and you can make millions of dollars for the time you're 20. That's $10,000 a month is the poverty line actually in San Francisco, and just make a ton of money doing that stuff. So hopefully that helped.